Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you out if you have a Samsung oven and you're getting a CE-56 error. So the CE-56 error is basically the electronic control board something is wrong with it. It's not able to communicate properly with the rest of the oven. So there's really two things you can do to try to fix this. The first thing is just to check all the wiring that's going to it and make sure there are no loose, disconnected, burnt wires or anything like that that could be impacting the communication between the control board and the rest of the oven. And then if that doesn't fix it, you're probably just going to need to to replace the control board. The only other thing that I would do before I did that, which you're probably going to do anyways, while you're working on this, is to just disconnect completely the oven from power. Leave it unconnected from the power for a full minute, and make sure that it has had a chance to cool down completely if this error came up while it was working. Then plug it back in and see if it wasn't just throwing up an electrical anomaly that can be fixed by a hard reset. Anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.